how to fix Valorant error code 62. And if you want to fix it, it's easy. All you need to do, just type here services, scroll down until you find VGC, right click on it and then click properties, and after that click automatic, apply and OK. And now open task manager. Now just scroll down and close all the processes that are related to Valorant, like Vanguard or Riot Games. And here's it, Vanguard, right click, end task. And that's it. Make sure there is no other application here, and that's it. Close this window. After that, just try to launch Valorant as an administrator and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.